Hi everyone and welcome to Kids in the Kitchen. This is my grandson Leo. Say hi. No, I'm not going to say hi. That's all right. Okay, what I've done today, we're actually going to make, do you remember Leo what they're called?
Yeah.
What are they?
Blueberry muffins.
Blueberry and chocolate chip muffins. Don't forget the chocolate chips. I've measured everything out because Leo isn't quite at that stage where he could read the screen. If you've got older children as well, they could possibly do all the measuring out first for the younger ones. Didn't take very long and it just makes it a lot easier. All right, we've got to get our recipe on Cookie Doo. You probably can't see this screen because of the light, but we're going to the hamburger menu, the 3 lines. We're going to my recipes, created collections, and I have one called what, Leo? Do you remember?
No.
Kids. Remember Kids Cooking. And it's our basic muffin mix. And I can just show you probably a little bit closer here. There's the Cookie Doo on the iPad, and it's available on you can put on the iPhone as well or Android device. The app is fabulous. Okay, let's press. And this says basic muffin mix. Start cooking. Do you want to press that, Leo? Start cooking?
There.
Yep. Wow, what does it say? It says, what's that? Do you think?
Oven.
The oven. We've got to heat up the oven to 180 degrees C. We've already done that. Can you press next?
Okay, there.
Over here, the green one. And it's saying to line 16 holes of 2 12-hole muffin trays. We've already done that.
Yeah.
Okay, and we've set it aside. Can you click next up here? All right, now we've got our first ingredient. It's already teared, but we've still got the lid on, so we have to re-tear it. Can you press the green there, Leo?
Sure.
Press it again. Something must be touching it, is it? No. Oh, 0. There, we've got 0. We need to add 300 grams of self-raising flour, which I've got in this bowl, ready to go. Would you like to pop that into the bowl, into here?
Yeah.
Can you reach? Yep.
Might be a bit heavy.
Oh, we missed a little bit, but that's okay. It doesn't matter.
We can fix it.
Yeah. All right, we've done that. So we click next. Now we need to add the plain flour. All right, and that's already measured out. Can we pop it in?
Yeah.
Good one. All right. Now can we click next?
I can actually wipe it off.
Oh, thanks, darling. That's great. Good on you. Next. Yay. Oh, half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. That little jar there behind the blueberries is the bicarb soda. That's the one, Leo. Well done. Can you bring it over to the Thermomix? Wait a minute, put it on the ground, on the bench, I mean. And we need a half a teaspoon. So we need to, yeah. Can you pop that in? Careful. Well done. Good work. All right, can you click next? Brown sugar. Now I've measured out the brown sugar and it's in the bowl over there, the red one, Leo. Can you get that?
Yeah.
We've teared it. Pop it in. We're not using 200 grams because we're going to reduce the sugar. So I think we've got about 120. Okay, and I made my own brown sugar with raw sugar and molasses. That's all it is. Thanks, Leo. What do we do next? We have to insert the measuring cup into the lid. That's the lid. Pop the measuring cup in and pop the lid on. Yep, up top. That's it. Now press next. Now we have to turn it up to there. Can you turn this around until it gets to there where Mimi's finger is. Turn it that way towards Mimi. Keep going, keep going. One more. Yay! It's going to do it for 3 seconds. Mix it all up. And next. 2 eggs. Now you tell me you can crack eggs, but sometimes you make a bit of a mistake. That's okay. We're going to crack the egg into the other measuring cup we've got here. All right, so that's nicely mixed. Can you get the egg from over there?
I'll do one.
Might have a fairly hard shell, so you might have to bang a bit hard. Oh, well done. Yep, put your thumb in. That's it. Good boy. We'll take the shell out. Yay. Only a little bit of a spill. That's okay. They're nice big eggs. Can you pour that in to the bowl? That's it. Oh, good one. Now let's do the other egg. That's it. Now that's enough. Pop your thumb underneath where the crack is. Good work. That was better, wasn't it? Pour the egg into there.
That was better because I didn't get the whole shell in
That's
there.
right. It was better. Well done. All right, now we've got to click next. And we need some milk, and I forgot to make milk. Didn't I, with my powdered milk? But I'm not going to use milk. We're just going to use some water. All right, I'll go and get the water. Okay, Leo, we're going to use some water. I think Mimi might pour this one in.
Yeah.
Because it's a bit tricky, but if you're a bit worried about pouring liquid in, just pop the lid on top without the MC, put a bowl on, tear it, and then measure it in. All right, so 370. You watch it go up. Getting there. 200. Right, when you're getting close, it's a good idea to let the liquid settle. We only need 70 more. Here we go. Nearly there. You watching, Leo? 3, 7, oh, we want. Have we got there yet? Can you see 370? 370. Yes. All right. Next. Oh, I should have let you do that. Vegetable oil. All right, now I've got some oil over there in the jug, Leo. Do you think you can bring that over?
Well,
Just there.
yep.
Yep. And pour it in.
Over
Well done. Yes. Great. Fantastic. And can you click next?
Sure.
And we add flavours of our choice at this stage. We're adding blueberries and chopped chips, but we're going to do it at the end because we don't want it all mushed up. All right, but we could put cinnamon, we could put vanilla, we could put anything we like in there. It's sort of a make your own adventure type muffin mix. All right, next, Leo. Oops, that, you clicked it twice, didn't you?
Yeah.
Once. Oh, what's it saying? Insert the measuring cup. Well, it's already inserted. Can you pop it on the Thermomix? That's it. Good work. And click next. And now it wants us to move it to speed 4 where Mimi's finger is. So you need to turn the dial towards Mimi until it gets to number 4. Yes, well done. Only doing it for 10 seconds because muffins don't need a lot of mixing. Whoa. Oh, hear that? Yeah, that's telling us it's finished. Oh, you're really worried about the flour on there, aren't you, darling? You keep wiping it.
Yes.
All right. How about, sorry?
I'm just wiping it so that it doesn't get real messy.
Okay. We could clean it when we're finished, probably.
So that it doesn't get more messy.
Oh, I see. All right then. Would you like to click next?
Yep.
All right, now we're going to pop it in the muffin trays. I think we might do a quick scrape down first.
Yeah, because it might go real quickly.
Yes, and we're actually going to add, so here's the mixture.
Yep.
See that? Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Now we're going to stir in our berries and our chocolate chips. Can you get the berries, Leo? Pop them in here. Good work. And can you get the chocolate chips?
Yep.
And pop them in. All right, now would you like to do a little bit of a stir? Can you reach? Would you like to move over a bit? Can you stir? Yeah, well done. Down to the bottom. Mix them in.
That's looking real good.
It is looking really good. Fantastic. All right, you've done a good job. It's all mixed in. Look at that.
Yep.
All right, we're now going to pop it in our muffin trays and bake them. And then we'll come back and we're going to make some pasta dough. So we'll see you then.